Now, the text on my ingredients is too small. I want to make it be bigger so it is easier to read. I can change the font size. The font size is the size of the text. So here we have the font size. I'm going to highlight the text, and then I'm going to go over here to the font size, and I'm going to move it to a larger number. So I go here, 28, 32. You know what? I think I can fit 54 in there. So now it's much bigger and easier to read. And let's see, here's the font size here. And I'm going to click here and make that 54 too. Okay, and once again, I would like you to answer this question. Why would you want to change the font size in the presentation? Oh, I forgot to answer this question. Why would you think slideshows have short phrases? It is easier to see, and it's just something that you use. You do all the talking, but the slides have a little bit of text to keep the listener up to date on what's happening. So they're very short. They just tell you they're like a place marker. And why would you want to use a larger font? So simply so your people watching the presentation can see it. So it's easy to see. So if you go like to 10, and people in the front row, only people in the front row can see it. So if we go back to 54, it's a lot easier to see. All right, and next I want to use a numbered list. So let me go over here. I hope I'm doing the right one. New slide, and I want to do to content again. And I want to put directions for chicken noodle soup. Okay, and let me pause this for a minute. All right, let's have a look. Directions for chicken noodle soup. Look, there's a bullet here, but I want to do directions, so I want to use a number. And over here we have, I'm at home, and here is the bullets, but look right next to it, there is the numbering. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to a numbered list. Okay, look at this. Now we have a number 1. And then I'm going to put melt butter in a large pot. Now, once again, and when I hit the enter, look at that. There's a number 2. Cook onion and celery for 5 minutes. Yeah, notice how the number came up. Watch this. Automatically, we have a number 3 there. And let's see here. Let me pause. So, real quick question. Why would you choose a numbered list instead of a bulleted list? And pause for a minute. The answer is you want a numbered list for instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, quick question, and then I will give you the answer. I want to make the text in the directions for chicken noodle soup slide bigger. How do I change the font size? Pause the video, and in 1 second, I will give you the answer. Okay, here it is. Highlight the text and change the font size number. My second question, I want to write the next step. Which keyboard key do I press to make a new number? And pause it. Here comes the answer. Enter. Okay. All right, I have some handouts ready. So just after you finish this video, just ask me and I will come by and pass one out to you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.